Okay, welcome MAP4Cers. This is a video on 8.5, which is a reminder about how to get into the spreadsheet on the computer. And today we're going to be doing some budgets, and I'll just give you a little push in the right direction. As it says here, open the Office Calc, which is the spreadsheet, first. So however you do that, usually you hit your start menu, or sometimes it's a icon on the desktop, but you go into the spreadsheet first, whatever it might look like, and then you open a file open, and then open the correct file. Now notice that this is already in the right spot. Now yours won't open like that, I'll bet. So I'm going to go through the steps. From my computer, you go on Shared, SNS, Students, type R for Restall, should take you right to R for Restall, MAP4C, then in old stuff, I think, unless I've moved it, which I probably haven't, there's Budget. Open that, and it's going to give you an error message. Remember, what we want to do is save a copy, not open a read file, save a copy, and as soon as you get it going, as soon as you get open, save a copy under your own directory. So save as, and then it'll say Budget, and put it in your own shared drive. Okay, so mine's Shanrest, yours is going to be whatever your name is, and I got a bunch of crud there, but you just save it somewhere in here that makes sense. Okay, and then keep current format or save in ODF format, that does not matter. Rich, and then we'll be able to edit this. Okay, so for instance, in the textbook, it's got the creating a monthly budget. This has got all of Nuri's details here, and this is who we're going to make a budget for. Her annual net income is blah 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 blah, and we're going to make a budget for her. And it actually tells us what to do. There's the spreadsheet, there's the one we found, and most of the formulas are already put in, so all we have to do is type the stuff in. It says enter each income and expense in the spreadsheet, changing income and expenses to monthly amounts as needed. So sometimes you'll have to do that, and it actually gives you a little hint there. For her job, her monthly income, so we might say description of income might be her job, and it says under, and I just pressed enter there and moved over to the right to the column B. It says enter the formula. What was it? It was 36850 divided by 12. Notice that formulas in the spreadsheet start with an equal sign. Okay, and then I press enter, and notice that it automatically changes that, and I think it'll probably automatically change the balance, and as you add things in the different spots, these will adjust. And again, after you finish, so one of the expenses, the first expenses, is $750 a month for rent and utilities. So if I put rent and utilities, and so on, it'll automatically update and do a budget for us. See, this is a nice thing, because as we saw yesterday when we were doing budgets, it was kind of a pain when you wanted to make an adjustment that all the other numbers had to change as well. See, that automatically updated that, and when that's zero, we've got a balanced budget. It's great. Remember, one of the things that we can do if we'd like to is answer the questions sort of off to the side here. This is saved in your, and you can print this off if you like, or you can just show me when you're finished and get me to sign off. So A, answer, whatever. Okay, and that's it. Have fun with the spreadsheets.